ينزل الملائكة بالروح من أمره على من يشاء من عباده أن أنذروا أنه لا إله إلا أنا فاتقون خلق السماوات والأرض بالحق تعالى عما يشركون.
He sends down the angels with the inspiration of His command upon whom He wills of His servants, telling them, "Warn that there is no deity except me, so fear me." He created the heavens and earth in truth. High is He above what they associate with Him.